Here we are. We are ready to rock and roll. We're going to do some fall colors here on the 18th day of October, 2024. I've walked this before, multi-use bike trail, but yeah, it's a little hike, join the fall colors. Tomorrow I might go down to Mo. I've seen before. It goes all over the place. It goes all over to Sheet Oak Road. It goes over to everywhere. I've walked over there before. It's really kind of cool. So just enjoy a little fall hike, a little hiking adventure, enjoying the Minnesota lovely and talented colors. It's kind of cool. But this gets a lot of work. This trail does. Got some railroad ties there. But yeah, kind of cool. It's a multi-use. I did a Grand Rapids one last year when I was up there for work. It's been a very, very dry, after the floods, very, very dry summer, kind of like. So, any kind of rain, it's supposed to rain tonight, but only a chance. Unlike East Coast, they just got hammered. Nice tree. Well, I could dig it up, but yeah, they're the peak. When I was up in Wisconsin, it was kind of cool. In Wisconsin, there was lots of color up there. Yeah, there's a lot of people that bike through here. Yeah, it's been Halloween's coming up. This will be out in probably end of June, July 2025. Hopefully we had a good winter, but I have a feeling it's going to be a dry winter, and we need rain. We don't live in the desert. I think I gotta rake all this stuff up. These are coming down. I lost a lot of my trees in the front yards. I don't have as many as I used to have. So. It's a gorgeous walk. Very nice. Hiking and enjoying the Minnesota fall colors. Yeah, tomorrow I get a chance to go down the Mighty Mo down there in St. Paul. come down here and smoke some geef. I was reading an article about THC. How it affects you, because people as young as 13 are drinking it and eating candy. It's like any drug. The more you take it, the more it's going to hurt your body, right? So it is what it is. I get it. You want to smoke geef every single day? THC is going to rip your body. It's a gateway drug. That reminds me of the Appalachian Trail. They got hit with the hurricane, big time. Great for like I said, with my flip camera, do a movie called the flip horror movie. Just use the flip camera the whole time. Be epic as hell. Walk in the woods, you know, getting chased by somebody with a mask on, you know, hilarious as hell. Pretend you're in the woods somewhere. Hell there. Big time turning. Yeah, one guy I was talking to the last time I was down here, did some video. He broke his wrist. I bought him out. Imagine when you're booking around. Very nice. Did one in the Grand Rapids one. It was kind of cool. I walked through the woods. So it looks like you kind of catch up to this one right here. Kind of walk up here. Yeah, if I lived out on the East Coast, the Appalachian Trail, I'd be out there hiking, find a campsite and backpack it and start walking around. Saw a real good video. I bought a bus to go check it out. That was last year, but he bought it in Federal Way, state of Washington, and they charge you $1,600 if you want to make it as a RV. They take all the seats out and get ready. So that was kind of cool. But all those birch trees. I think this one kind of goes, this walking path kind of goes down to here. But anyways, guys, we'll kind of move on to something more substantial. Enjoying the fall colors.